2019 2.0 Sport muffler delete. For some reason I feel like it lost torque, but let me see, I'll show you. It sounds really good, not ricey at all, nice and I'll do a little quick pulls. I'll show you. Has a nice, good, deep tone for cheap. It's fucking, I only paid like 45 bucks to get it cut off, if you want to say that. It is automatic. This idiot right here, though. The car still pulls great, but for some reason, when it was stock muffler, it felt a little bit stronger. But I'm just racing around the city. Oh shit. Nah, but yeah, I feel like I lost torque. I might consider just buying a full catback. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And it does pop. It does have a little pop to it. Watch, I'll show you. This fucking button. This was where I'm at, right next. Yeah, that's pretty much it.